Yeah, g'day YouTubers, Tinker O'Toole with another video. Today I'm going to talk about making a T-nut. It's a hack to make a T-nut without any special tools. Now, why do you want to make a T-nut? So this is the one that I made, but we'll talk about, this is the one that was in the lathe. And I brought myself a quick change tool post, and it came with 9 tool post holders. Knurling tool for one, parting off tool, and all these other various tool post holders that I've got for circular bars. The list just goes on and on. It's supplied with a base, not an actual T-nut. What they want you to do is to machine it, because like it says in the description, when I went to purchase it, there's not one T-nut that's going to fit every lathe. Every lathe out there will be different. So they give you a blank and you've got to machine it. I don't have access. I don't have a milling machine. I don't have access to it. And I know some people have brought these quick change tool posts and tool post holders and returned them back because they say it doesn't fit my machine. But if you read in sometimes the full description, it will tell you that some modifications for the T-nut is required. So, without having access to a milling machine, how are you going to make a T-nut? Well, quite simply, it's very easy. All you're going to need is a grinding, parting off 1mm disc, 2 1/4-inch plates cut to size, bevel each side, so grind off about a 45-degree angle on each one, hold them together in the vise, put a nice weld there, turn it over, do the same on that end there, grind it off. You've just made yourself a T-nut. So it's just a matter of getting the right dimensions right so it fits and slides in there, drill in the thread, tap in the thread, and you should be able to do that if you can operate a lathe. The only limitation that you've got is if you don't own a welder, is finding someone that's got one that can sort of just run a bead across each end. You should be able to find someone that's got a welder as opposed to finding someone that's got a milling machine. So it's a simple hack. It's something that can be made up because the blank that you get with the tool post quick change tool post holder will be just a blank. It may have a thread in it, but it certainly won't look like that, and it won't fit your machine. I can guarantee you, you're going to have to modify it. Or my method, my hack is 2 plates welded together. Works perfect. 12mm thick. More than strong enough for the application. And the other thing is, the reason that my lathe comes with a disc is when you have a look at the standard tool post holder, you can see where the disc, which is this one here, rubs and covers and marks. It's designed so it's got nice even wear, because you don't want it just being supported either side. There's no support in the middle here because this part here doesn't touch. So yeah, it sits on there and covers and gives great support. The reason that I won't be using this on the new one, this is a larger hole, whereas the new quick change tool post, slightly smaller hole. So we've made the new plate like there. I ordered it on eBay. It's coming in the next couple of days. Everything's made. It's going to work fantastic. So just remember, if you were thinking about getting one and then realised, how am I going to get, I can't get a T-nut, use the hack that I've just come up with. Cut 2 plates, weld them together. That's it. Your T-nut is made. Drill and tap it. Done. So easy. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.